Hi, this is Allison, and in this video we're going to go over how to put your Encelia workout wig on if you're completely bald like me. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the top of the wig is towards your belly. So I'm going to look inside, and this is the top. It's an anti-slip top, and I'm going to put that towards my belly. And then the back seam of the headband is towards my legs. So the Encelia workout wig has a wig grip sewn into it, which is a velvet headband for added security. And so the way that I like to place the Encelia is about a ½ an inch before where my hairline would start. So what I do is I take 3 fingers from the arch of my eyebrow. So here's that third finger, and then this is where I would want my lace front wig to sit. I want my Encelia to sit about ½ an inch, so here or here, forward, just because it kind of just adds some dimension. When you don't have hair, you're always looking for ways to kind of soften the transition. So I'm going to take the back and I'm going to pull it just over the crown, the back part, and then I'm going to pull the headband and I'm going to make it completely flat. Okay, so then I'm going to push the wig grip and the hairpiece back a little bit. I'm going to flatten the headband so it's totally flat. And then I'm going to go to the back of the headband and I'm going to lift up and pull back. 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 So I really love this way of doing it because you get this sort of rippled effect, which I think adds the dimension that we need when we don't have hair. Because there's no bulk here, there's no hair here, so it just adds that sort of softening effect, and I think it just looks super, super chic, personally. So that's that. So I'm going to check where it's placed. So that's 3 fingers, and then there's about a ½ an inch of material forward. So that's exactly where I would like it to be placed, maybe a little bit further up. And I would just check it. So when you're wearing the piece throughout the day, that's how you're going to check it. Same as a wig. You'll take 3 or 4 fingers from the arch of your eyebrow. And then if you feel that material underneath that 3rd or 4th finger, you know that you have it on right, or it's not too far forward or too far back. Then I'm going to take the sides and I'm going to push it down. So I'm going to take the sides here and really pull it down towards my ears. And then I'm going to take the back and I'm going to pull it down just over the occipital bone, not at the bottom of the occipital bone. It's not going to sit where the wig sits, but just right below it. So the way this is designed, it's like the most amazing topper. It just sits on the head because it cups the occipital bone. And so it basically stays put with just the hairpiece, and then the headband is stretchy but hugs the head. So it's really comfortable and just adds additional security. And then if you want to add the circumference, tighten the circumference at all, you would just pull the pull system in the back. So that's it. It's on, and that's all for today. If you have hair, I have a separate video coming out about how you can wear Encelia, our workout wig, with hair. It's the same as a wig. You can still wear it. Believe it or not, there's a lot of room in here to kind of for women with hair. So that video is coming out. Stay tuned. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.